fluid, so that's going to be mixed in dextrose. Okay, hypovaric, meaning lighter than spinal fluid, that's going to be mixed in saline. So we calculate our doses based on, number one, if we're using hyperbaric or hypo. Usually you're using this. Not all the time though, okay? Because it depends on what type of procedure you're doing, facility you're in, okay? So let's say you're using hyperbaric morphine, okay? So this is going to sink because it's heavier than spinal fluid, right? So it's going to sink from the L4-5, and then you're going to lay the patient down. So it's going to spread. So it's going to sink and it's going to spread, okay? So you determine this dosage by your patient, their height, and their weight. So let's say you have a 300-pound 6'1" man, okay, and he's fit, okay, so we don't have a lot of fat tissue pushing back on the spinal column. Or let's say you have a 300-pound 5'4" Arturian. She does have a lot of stuff pushing back on the spinal column, okay. So if you calculated to give, say you wanted to give, well, 2 cc's, 15 milligrams,